Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Don't throw away that lettuce stem. It's surprisingly delicious when cooked. This often discarded part of your lettuce actually has a fantastic crunchy texture and a mild, slightly sweet flavor. It's truly an overlooked gem in the kitchen, perfect for adding unique depth and unexpected goodness to your everyday meals. You might be surprised by its versatility. Properly preparing the stem ensures the best cooking results and a pleasant texture. Begin by separating the sturdy core from all the outer leaves, which you can save for salads. Then, use a sharp knife to carefully trim off any tough or discolored ends from the stem itself. This simple step makes a big difference in the final dish and prepares it perfectly for cooking. Stir-frying lettuce stem truly highlights its wonderful natural crunch and fresh flavor. Start by slicing the prepped stem into thin, diagonal pieces. This ensures rapid and even cooking. Heat a wok or large skillet with a touch of oil, then add the stem alongside your favorite aromatics, perhaps some minced garlic or a slice of ginger. Cook briefly until tender, crisp, and vibrant, about 2 minutes. Braising or gently sautéing the lettuce stem offers a completely different, softer texture. For a braised dish, cut the stem into 1-inch chunks, then simmer them slowly in a flavorful broth or a splash of white wine. If you prefer sautéing, slice them lengthwise and cook gently in a little butter or olive oil until they are beautifully tender and slightly translucent. Both methods are delicious and easy to prepare. Cooking lettuce stems significantly reduces food waste in your kitchen and adds a truly unique flavor to your meals. Don't hesitate to experiment with different seasonings, perhaps a little soy sauce, sesame oil, or chili flakes to discover your favorite combinations. This simple trick transforms a previously discarded part into a delicious, sustainable, and surprisingly versatile meal component. Enjoy your new favorite vegetable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.